Hey everybody, it's Mark here with Sin City Tint, and today we're going to talk about the top benefits of ceramic window tint, as well as the number one myth or misconception that I get all the time about ceramic window tint. Watch out, Rocco. So many people believe that ceramic tint is only dark from the outside and clear from the inside. Are you one of them? If so, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear about it. But before I answer that question, let's take a look at this stunning new 2024 Dodge Charger 345 Hemi. This customer chose to go with a 5% ceramic tint, which looks amazing, and it will help tremendously with the bright Vegas sun. But it can be difficult to see out of, especially at night. So listen, the number one benefit of ceramic window tint is that it keeps a ton of heat out, regardless of how dark you go. So any of these shades will keep 3 to 4 times the amount of infrared heat out as the older technologies will. If you're just looking for a great protection from the sun's harmful infrared and UV rays, any shade of ceramic tint will work for you. But if you also want some privacy so people don't snoop dog, I got you. Back to the number one myth about window tint. Is it dark from the outside and clear from the inside? No. The darker shade of tint, regardless of what type of tint it is, means the less visible light, therefore harder to see out of. So take a look at the passenger side of this Charger. See how dark this windows already look? And the driver's side isn't even tinted. Tony's still working on the door over there. Once we close these doors up, it's gonna be considerably darker. If you're looking for maximum privacy, you might opt for a darker shade. However, keep in mind it will also reduce your visibility, especially at night. It's all about finding the right balance between privacy and functionality. What's up, fellas? Thanks for watching. So the Dodge Charger back window is one of the more difficult ones. It's big, it's long, it's pretty curved. For any of you window tinters out there, it's important to, first of all, shrink this back window properly, use a lot of heat to get it to lay down. And then the installation is really important. If you notice, Tony's using a pre-squeegee tool here to lay the window, taking all the tension off of it. If anybody wants some information on how I make that tool, leave a comment down below. So now he's gonna go back with this orange crush and squeegee all the water out of the rear window. There wasn't one finger left in this window after the pre-squeegee point, so it was just squeegee it, lay it down, put a little heat on it, pull it out, and we were done with it. Before we go, window tinting laws vary by state. Be sure to check with your local laws. Also, it's not necessary to go dark. And the truth behind the myth, it makes visibility more difficult. I hope this video has helped you understand the benefits of ceramic windows. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to stay updated for future videos, ring the bell. If you have an idea for any